Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Longueuil is a vibrant city, just across the St. Lawrence River from Montreal. Longueuil is part of the Montérégie region and is one of Quebec's largest cities, with a population of over 250,000. Longueuil's roots go back to 1657 when it was founded by Charles Le Moyne as a seigneurie, a type of landholding under French rule. Over time, it grew into a thriving community, eventually becoming a city in 1920. Its rich history is still visible today, especially in Old Longueuil. Here, you'll find charming streets, historical buildings, and the stunning co-cathedral of St. Anthony of Padua, which dates back to the 19th century. The city is also home to beautiful parks and natural spaces. You can visit Ile Charon, a small island in the St. Lawrence River, or enjoy the green spaces within the Boucherville Islands National Park, located nearby. These spots are perfect for picnics, walking, or just relaxing by the water. Longueuil is proud of its diverse community, with French as the dominant language, but a mix of other languages and cultures enriching the city. It's also well connected, with excellent public transportation, and bridges like the Jacques Cartier Bridge, making it easy to reach from Montreal. This city blends the past and present beautifully. From its historical sites to modern attractions, Longueuil has something for everyone.
you.